Hello, NeXT community. I wanted to make a video showing the waiting for drive to come ready error. So what will happen is it goes into the boot process and then it starts to look for the drive. And you'll see those dots go across the screen. Well, if you have a scsi2sd like this one here, it may look like the card is engaged, but all you need to do is just really unset and reset it, and then you'll see it go in, and then it'll kick over to the boot screen. Now, if you have a CD-ROM drive, it's going to stop here and say unit attention. So that's where you just put your CD-ROM disk in, and then it'll find the CD-ROM, and there you go. So now you've got a booting NeXT and a CD-ROM drive. The waiting for drive to come ready with a regular SCSI hard drive, that can sometimes be a jumper or an indication that the drive is not functioning. So that's different than the SD card. The SD card, it's usually that it's just not seated in its SD card reader slot. So I know that's going to help at least one person today, Ed. That one's for you. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.